Okay, so again, continuing our DSA course. The last video, I told that we will do this problem. So let's start with this one. Interleaved strings. Okay. What we mean by interleaved string? This is kind of a problem related to DP on strings. So given two strings, A, B, actually three strings, A, B, and C, you have to find whether the C is formed by interleaving of A and B or not. Interleaving of two strings S and T is a configuration such that it creates a new string Y from concatenation of AB. So XYZ ABC. How many ways to concatenate? One way is just to keep XYZ and ABC like this, ABC after that, or maximum concatenation can be done when you do X then A then Y then B then Z then C. Like so between this all there are multiple ways of interleaving the strings, but you just need to tell whether the C is a valid concatenation of A and B or not. So answer is really simple. Bool need to return. So let's go about it. How you will do this problem? Okay, let's take it to a docs because a beautiful problem. Uh, let's develop some beautiful intuition to solve this. So first of all, C must have the characters that are present in A and B and in same frequency. So what I mean by that, you can create a frequency map for A, for B, and combined frequency map. So frequency map for C should follow that. First of all, if that does not follow, you return zero straight away. Now you know that characters are those same frequency, and you just need to see the order of characters. So order of characters, you need to just see the order of characters. So okay, one of the way to approach this problem is to traverse over the C string, pick the first character. That is going to be, let's say C of 0 is either A of 0 or B of 0. Then you got something, right? So then you push that, right? So let's say if it is equal to A of 0, then I push that I am on A of 1 now. So the next option which I can take is either A of 0 or B of 1. So there is something like coming like option. You have two options, right? Either to pick A0 or to pick B0. When you pick, so basically there is an index moving with A as well as moving with B. So let's say I index is moving with A and J index is moving with B. What I mean by that is um, A of I is the current point of consideration in string A and B of J is current point of consideration in this. So if that matches, I matches with this. So one way is you go about that way. Okay, and if B matches with that, one way is to go about that way. Else if none of the thing matches, you return 0 straight away. So is it greedy or DP? First of all, let's confirm that, because when I say that we need I and J pointers and we are traversing on C0 and checking whether it's A0, so you got on A and then you plus plus, right? Now you are on Y, standing at Y, fine. Similarly, now you see option between Y and A. Okay, first thing was X, now it is option between Y and A. Let's say it is A. So you push this to B. Okay, then it is B, then you push this to C. Then it is Y, then you push this to Z. And then it is something something. So you Z and C was completed. So then it might look like greedy, but don't forget that when you have something like x and x, what to choose, man? Like, should I go with A, should I go with B? If you go with A, now you don't have an option. Like, the next option you have is Y and X, right? One thing you can choose between this. You cannot have B immediately, right? You cannot have B immediately, because the only options you have is that either you pick a Y or you pick a Z. So basically C1 is equal to B. Then you see, okay, C1 does not neither matches with this one, A of I, nor matches with A of B of J. So that is an issue. So that's how you backtrack and then say, okay, that was not good. So try this. This is also possible way, right? So you try that. So these are the two options that you need to try every time. So yeah, that's how it goes. Like, and as soon as you reach the I is equal to complete and J is also completed, then you return one. Yeah. So the algorithm for this would be, um, I'll create a function, solution function, solve or search function. It has an I, J, string A and string B, and there is an ID also, like, just to keep track. Where I am currently in string C. So if ID becomes equal to, let's be sad, return 1. Option 1 is to call a solve function on ID plus 1 only if, first of all, C of ID matches with A of I. When I say option of ID plus 1 and C and I plus 1, J, A, B. And the other option is, if that matches with that, C of ID matches with something like B of J, I can say, like, or we can have it as OP1 equal to 0, OP2 equal to 0. So this is just a 0 or 1 thing, and at last OP2 is again like similar to this. Okay, we will write that. At last you will return OP1 or OP2. These are the two possibilities, right? There is no third possibility. There might be the case that, okay, that is this, or if both does not satisfy, then you simply return 0. That is again the thing. Then you return the 1. Yeah. So one of the way would be the returns 1. So you return 1. Okay. So in that case, you just need a DP in terms of IJ, I think, because these are the two things that changes. I think that on what it depends, and ID also you can keep track. Hope so that it does not go beyond n into n. Yeah, actually ID is I plus j only, like how many things you have taken from I, how many things you have taken from j. So no need of that. So now let's implement that first of all. Yeah. Run 1, O1 is 0, O2 is 0. If C of ID plus 1, C, I plus 1, A, J, and B. B dot size J, C of ID is equal to B of J. O2 is plus 1. J plus 1 comma B. Return 1 or okay. Map and if R size 26 R of I minus A I minus A minus minus. Now you just need to check that. Return 0. That should be fine, I think. Okay, I think this part is fine. If that is fine, then good to go. See how it does. Percent. J is not going to be percent. Percent. Yeah, first of all, that because this is a recursive function which will be called so many times. Put something like this. Does it contain spaces or not? Not really. Now I need DP kind of thing. Let's go with that A, B, C, X, Y, Z, A, X, B, Y, C, Z. Okay, manual set. Let's try some of this out. Segmentation font. Let's try again. So, what if, yeah, it's like direct concatenation of the things. I think this test case is that only, like direct concatenation of things. It's like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. How are you tackling that? I think we are tackling that. Or something like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, then. Yes. ID becomes this. Very straightforward. I think they are going beyond this 105. Let's have a look. Segmentation forms. Like what kind of segmentation form? Watch. Let's check it, man. Segmentation fault kind of error. Okay. Basically, he's sending only the ID search. Now it runs here, but let's see now. Segmentation fault.
बंद कर दो बस अब लाए लगा दो एक मिनट बंद नहीं कर दो क्या लगाना बंद कर दो बस बनने वाली हो रही कितने बार आ रहा हमारे कल कहाँ भरी थी पूरी आज कौन कौन है मैं ही तो नहीं हूँ साथ दिन नहीं
This is the same thing. One thing we can do here. Rotary signs. Vector of integers. BP. And then memset does not work.
हाँ मैंने सब रखा है किसने डाल रखा है आज लाल वाला तो मैंने उठाया सामने से देख उससे
कम से कम compilation error नहीं आना
शांत हो गया मैंने उससे पूरा
Segmentation
शांति
fault
लगा कर रखा था
वगैरह ये सब नहीं आना चाहिए.
पैसा लेने का होगा ना सही घर करके आगे बताओ लाल वाला तो उठा दिया मैंने पहले उठा गया था बाद में कहा
छोड़ो फिर देखो ये चीज हमारी if length becomes 0 fine length को 0 बना दें n को n-1 कर रहे हैं. लॉजिक यही है मतलब आई थिंक दिस इज more or less this is my logic man. One thing which you are not checking, just one thing, I plus j is less than c dot size, but that should always be the case, man. There should be no case that this goes beyond that. still segmentation faults. Let's end the video over here क्योंकि लॉजिक हम कवर कर चुके हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द लॉजिक इज दैट कि तुम्हें दो पॉइंटर मेंटेन करने हैं. आई एन जे कीप इंक्रीमेंटिंग एज यू सी इक्वल. देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस कि या तो ए में से जाओ और बी में से जाओ एंड दोनों कंसिडर करने हैं और किसी एक से भी आंसर मिल जाए तो रिटर्न. या दे आर राइटिंग इफ एंड इफ नॉट इफ और एल्स इफ. ये मेन लॉजिक है इस प्रॉब्लम का कि केवल एक में मिल जाए तो ऐसा नहीं है कि दूसरे में दोनों में जाना है. देन ओ वन ओ टू का और लेके रिटर्न करना है, राइट, एक्स और वाई एंड स्टोर इट एज डी पी सो दैट यू नो रीजन फॉर दैट. एंड आई थिंक इससे पहले ये चल रहा था बिना डीपी के तो तुम ट्राई भी नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज या दिस विल गो एक्सपोनेंशियल. सो आई एन जी का डीपी बना लेना एन स्क्वायर डीपी एंड या दैट्स अबाउट इट. प्रॉब्लम काफ़ी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. फ्रीक्वेंसी एरर चेक कोई लगा नहीं रहा है बट इट्स बेटर टू हैव इट. तो यहाँ पे भी हैंडल हो जाता है. सो दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. ओके बाय.